Hello, Cancer Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. So, diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for February 2025. Naka-pre-shuffled na po lahat ng cards na gagamitin natin. So, let's start. Cut lang po natin again. Take po what resonates po sa inyo and leave the rest. Use your intuition po para makuha niyo yung right messages for you. At the heart of your reading, you have the Ace of Pentacles. Wow, a new beginning, a new opportunity, kaperahan. In the position of what you want, you have the Page of Swords. In the position of what you need, you have the Three of Swords. In your recent past, you have the Knight of Pentacles. In your near future, you have the High Priestess. In your challenge, you have the Star. In your fortune area, you have the Two of Wands. In your divine guidance, you have the Two of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Beautiful. And your outcome this month for Feb 2025 is Seven of Cups. Maraming options. New doors open up for you. Okay, pag-usapan natin yan mamaya. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Nine of Wands. Being resilient, you still pushing through ang daming pagsubok na dumadaan sa'yo ngayon. Probably, you're asking, kaya mo pa ba? Ano pa ba ibang ways para magawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin, ano? I'm seeing you still pushing through kahit na mahirap just because you know na ang bunga naman nito, ang ending naman nito, o ang paghihirap mo naman, hard work na to for your family, for your loved ones, for your dreams, ano? So, hang in there. I'm seeing you having a beautiful reward with this Ace of Pentacles dahil sa hard work mo and yung dedication sa yung craft. Okay, so let's start your reading, Cancer. At the heart of your reading, you have the Ace of Pentacles, having this new opportunity o bagong trabaho o oportunidad, or I'm seeing may biglang bagong racket. Kung naghahanap ka na pagkakakitaan, may biglang darating sa iyo that is divinely gifted na regalo for you from the universe, from the divine. Kung ano pong pinapaniwalaan nyo, grab it. Pag in-offer sa iyo, wag mong hindian. Malalaman mo pag yun yung sign. Ito yung sign, malalaman mo kapag yun yung sinasabi ko sa inyo kung anong opportunity o bagong bagay na ibibigay sa inyo na palalaguin mo, o kaya this month pagkakaabalahan mo, this Feb, na magbibigay sa iyo ng bagong kita. So, Ace of Pentacles is being clarified by the Six of Swords. Wow! Itong Ace of Pentacles na to, itong bagong bagay na to na darating sa'yo this Feb, it will help you na makasuong na. Kung halimbawa naghahanap ka ng biglang may magbebenta sa'yo ng bahay, makakalipat ka na, or may makakahanap ka na ng client na mabebentahan mo ng bahay. So that will push you forward sa goal mo o sa iniipon mo, ano. If this about an opportunity for mag-aral ulit or a scholarship, basta itong darating na to, itong gift na to, ito ang aarangkada ka to a brand new phase sa buhay mo. So this Feb is very important to you. It's like a breakthrough ito sa iyong buhay. So embrace it, claim it. So, I embrace the breakthrough na darating sa buhay ko this February 2025. Isulat niyo po yan sa baba to claim that manifestation. Akyat po tayo dito sa area ng iyong conscious and subconscious. In the position of what you want, you have the Page of Swords. You want a brand new start. I'm seeing kung ano tong balak mong gawin, handang-handa ka. Kahit na alam mo sa sarili mo na, teka, yung bang alam ko ay sapat. You want good news, may hinihintay kang good news from someone. I'm hearing whether sa text o email o sa chat. Kung ito man ay yung dati mo in-applyan tapos hinihintay mo yung good news doon, o kaya sa yung application, whether visa or I'm hearing approval with any project that you're doing now. Ito yung bagay na gusto mo with the Page of Swords. Let's clarify. Page of Swords being clarified by the Five of Pentacles. Ngayon, kailangan mo na talaga tong job na to. I'm hearing, kailangan mo tong opportunity na to. Nag-iisip ka for your family, for your kids. I'm seeing also nakakagaling, gusto mo na rin gumaling sa isang sakit, because the Five of Pentacles is about, having that transition sa pag-heal o paggaling. So, gusto mo nang makarating ka doon sa healing mo na ito, and you're ready na to do the things sa dati mong ginagawa. So, if you're dealing with sickness now, please consult a doctor or magpahinga ka. If you really are hard worker kayo with the nine of wands maybe hindi masama na magpahinga, alagaan mo yung sarili mo because a healthy body, a healthy mind, mas makakatulong yun sa'yo sa pagtatrabaho mo, sa pag-acquire mo ng mas maraming work, income, earning. So, importante yung pangangalaga mo sa katawan mo. You want healing, you want also someone to come, hinihintay mo talaga tong messages na to. O text o email from someone tutulong dito sa pinaghihirapan mo ngayon o problema mo ngayon. In the area of what you need to move forward with the past mistakes or past heartbreaks or sorrow or pain. I'm hearing parang may nang iwan sa'yo o may nang loko sa'yo o may nang isa sa'yo. Someone who really hurt you and you thought na you can trust this person pero yun pala hindi. So what you need now, sabi ng divine and higher power, is to let go, move forward. I know it's hard to madaling sabihin pero mahirap gawin, especially kung mahirap talaga yung pinagdaanan mo with this person. If it's a love reading for someone, I'm hearing na ang tagal mo nang hindi maka-move on. Naka-move on ka na with the relationship pero yung pain nandun pa rin, yung sort of yung trauma with that someone. If it's a job, it was for others, it was rejection or problema sa work and talagang dinadamdam mo siya. So Spirit is telling me na kailangan mo nang sit down, assess this emotion na hindi mo ma-let go, and see a brighter perspective with these things. Be optimistic na may mga parating sa buhay mo na mas maganda kumpara sa mga pinagdaanan mo. So have that positive mindset and try to bury those pain, leave it behind. Yung 3 of Swords being clarified, but a 10 of Swords, move forward ka na daw kasi i-end mo na daw tong pain na to. Sabi ng spirit and spirit guides mo, i-end mo na daw because you are ready to move forward. Tapos na lahat. 10 is the ultimate na yun, 10 is a completion So tapos na yung hardship, you have to move forward with this pain and sorrow na nararamdaman mo. In the recent past, we have the Knight of Pentacles. Maraming delays in the past, gawa ka ng gawa. Trabaho ka ng trabaho, pero kang pinapasa o project or may tinatrabaho ka pero bakit parang wala pang nangyayari o feeling mo stagnant ka, you feel like ang bagal-bagal ang development ng bagay na gusto mo mangyari o gusto mo makuha. So that was your position in the past, in the recent past. To clarify that, lumabas the Hanged Man, yes. Maraming delays, maraming naging problema, naging aberya, and you don't know where to go from here, 'di ba? Parang ano ba nangyari? Ba't parang hindi umaarangkada? Masipag naman ako, ginagawa ko naman lahat. I did the right thing. Bakit hindi umaarangkada? So pag may delay at merong hindi nangyayari, just know that it is divinely orchestrated, not because weak ka o may mali kang ginawa o sadyang hindi pa ayon. Yun yung narinig ko in the recent past. Ito yung past na to So I'm hearing delays are over. Delays are over with this Ace of Pentacles. I claim it this month, February 2025. Delays are over with this new opportunity na susulong ka na doon sa bagong adventure sa life mo. In the near future, you have the High Priestess. You will have that possibility. Lahat ng potential na sa'yo. Kaya mo nang gawin anything. Once na makuha mo tong Ace of Pentacles sa'yo, mag-go forward ka, everything is possible now with you. Use your intuition, use your internal knowing, use your talent, your passion, your ability para magawa mo ito, para ma-acquire mo yung gusto mong makuha kasi binigyan ka ng opportunity ng pagkakataon So i-grab mo yun, susulong ka doon at nasa sayo ngayon. High Priestess is about giving you that power na magawa mo yung gusto mo. So, tapos na yung delay, magbigay sa'yo ng bagong biyaya, anong gagawin mo doon? So, be this High Priestess element na aalamin mo lahat ng bagay, pag-aaralan mo, pagkakatiwalaan mo yung sarili mo para maging successful yung gusto mong gawin. High Priestess is being clarified, but the Queen of Wands is Queen of Wands is really about being bold, being confident. So, pasok siya, pareho sila. It's like saying things in the mirror, High Priestess and Queen of Wands have that confidence within you, self-worth, at pagkatiwalaan yung sarili mo na yung decision mo ay tama at yun ay nakaayon sa iyong higher self prophecy, kung ano yung nakatadhana mong gawin. So, pag dumating itong opportunity na to at tinanggap mo, your every decisions, you are being guided, and trust yourself that you can do it, you can accomplish it. So this Feb, ang challenge naman daw sa'yo ay the star. If you've seen the star muna bago ko sabihin yung challenge sa'yo. If you've seen the star, make a wish, because star is like a wish come true. So, i-pause niyo po muna yung video if you want to, and then make that wish kasi matutupad siya with the star card. Okay? Now, dahil nasa challenge area mo siya, ibig sabihin, ang magiging problema mo this month ay yung mag-focus ka doon sa goal mo na to, sa opportunity na to, sa pagkakataon na to, sa job na to, o sa kung ano man tong endeavor na ibibigay sa'yo. You have a lot of potentials eh. Pagkakatiwalaan mo ang sarili mo. Pero ang challenge sa'yo is to focus on that goal. Challenge sa'yo, hindi ka mali-distract, hindi ka panghihinaan na loob. Pag pinanghinaan ka, hindi mo na itutuloy, o kaya papasabukas mo na lang, o kaya lalaylay yung performance mo, hindi ba? So that will be your challenge this month, Cancer. So the star is being clarified by the Four of Swords. Yan yung pagiging ang challenge sa iyo yung yung procrastination, yung parang hayahay, o kaya sige bukas na lang yan, okay maya yan, parang nagkakaroon ka ng kampante. Huwag ka daw masyadong kampante. Focus on your dreams, focus on your goals, pursue it, and hindi lahat nabibigyan ng ganyang pagkakataon o ganyang opportunity, di ba, na magawa yung gusto nang gawin. So pag dumating yung oportunidad na yan, i-grab mo at trabahuhin mo. Nothing will come out with complacency, di ba? So huwag kang kampante daw, sabi ng iyong spirit guides. In the area position of your fortune this month is Two of Wands. Merong plano ka na mag-move forward. May plano ka na para manganganak, and that will start something dito sa iyong Pebrero. Kung plano mo halimbawa mag-abroad, yan, magbubunga yung mga plano yan, may maririnig ka na kung paano kumuha ng ganito, paano mag-asikaso ng papeles, may makikita ka na agency na pasok dun sa parang qualifications na gusto mong puntahan, at kung ano yung required na credentials mo, pasok sa kanila. So your plans now are taking traction, na meron ng patutunguhan yung plano mo. So that will be at the area of your fortune this month. So the Two of Wands is being clarified by the Temperance. Yan, simula na daw gumawa because Temperance is a card of alchemy, diba? So kung ano yung plano mo, talagang magtutuloy-tuloy yan, mayroong patutunguhan, makitake shape na siya, at makikita mo na yung pinaplano mo ay unti-unting matutupad. Just have to be patient. Temperance is also a card of Archangel Michael. So pray hard, have that spiritual power, palakasin mo yan so that yung plano mo ay hindi madiskarel, and that you are guided by your spirit guides, kanong pong pinapaniwalaan po ninyo. So congratulations, kasi yung plano mo daw magtutuloy-tuloy. Delays are over. Your plans are coming true. In the area of your divine advice, you have the Two of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Yung advice sa'yo, alamin mo kung ano yung mahalaga sa'yo. Kung ano yung dapat mong pahalagaan. If it's love, focus on that. Don't let go of that love. Alagaan mo, nurture mo. Kung yan ay trabaho, application, at natanggap ka, galingan mo sa trabaho mo. If you are having a new endeavor na gustong-gusto mo talagang kahit minanifest mo siyang kunin, pag dumating na karamihan kasi sa atin hindi marunong mag-alaga ng biyaya, kaya nale-let go o nawawala. So the challenge for you is don't let go of that goal, of that dream, bagay na gusto mo, kung tao man yan o trabaho o tangible na bagay, alagaan mo so that it can prosper at hindi mawala sa'yo, di ba? So let's clarify the two of them. The Two of Cups is being clarified by the Knight of Cups. Love nga ito, tao nga ito. Don't let go of that person. Kung makita mo siya at huwag ka nang paligoy-ligoy, huwag ka nang magpa-delay pa. Kung mahal mo siya, say it. Approach that person kung talagang totoo yung nararamdaman mo at ganoon din naman siya sa'yo. Huwag ka nang magbigay ng mixed signals. Protect that person. Admit your emotions or your intentions. And don't let go. with that person. If this is about a job, continue pursuing it and make the most out of it at i-offer mo yung best mong effort, i-offer mo yung best mong talent o yung kung ano yung may bibigay mo, i-offer mo para hindi mawala sa'yo yung trabahong yun. That is for others. So, the Queen of Pentacles is being clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. Plan ahead. Planuhin mo mabuti kung anong gagawin mo so that itong pentacle na to ay hindi mawala sa'yo, yung goal na to, yung taong ito. Be clear with your intentions. Wag kang puro laro. If it's love, wag paglaruan ng love o wag just be true with your intentions. Yun na rin ako. Just be true with your intentions so that itong pentacle, itong bagay na pinapahalagahan mo ay hindi mawala sa'yo. Okay? Bago tayo pag-usapan itong outcome mo na 7 of Cups na napakaganda, let's talk about other messages from the Divine. We have the Owl Spirit, number 43. Kung mahal ka po sa inyo, number 43, this is a confirmation that this message is for you. Or kung nakakita po kayo ng owls anywhere, whether sa TV, sa internet, pictures, o personal, o napag-usapan nyo o narinig mo, this message is a confirmation that this is for you. Owl Spirit is, you see clearly now. Owl Spirit, nakita nyo po ba? Ayan. You see clearly now. Paano dito yan sa sa heartaches mo? Ngayon alam mo na yung gagawin mo, you have to move forward. With the Two of Pentacles, clarity to ng potential mo, and you will be bold and confident sa gagawin mo. With this New Pentacles, alam mo na kung ano gagawin. Alam mo na itong opportunity, ito yung parang goal mo, and this will be pagkakaabalahan mo this Feb, and this will push you forward sa mga bagay na gusto mong ma-attain. Okay? Other messages, we have a win-win outcome is forecast. Wow, full moon in Libra. A win-win outcome daw. So kung ano man mangyari dito, kung ano man ang kahirap na itong goal o bagong opportunity na to, it's a win-win situation for you and for that someone, or for you with your boss, or for you with sa pinaghihirapan mong bagay. So congratulations in advance para sa inyo, Cancer. Another message is this desert passage. Trust there's a divine plan. See, Archangel Michael, yung plano mo, trust that there's a divine plan. Kung ano man tong detours o gagawin mo, nas bagong simula, I'm sensing kinakabahan ka o hindi ka sure. Trust na tong decision mo at gagawin mo ay divinely guided ka at ikaw ay hindi pinapabayaan ng mga powers at be. Now, your outcome, you have the 7 of Cups. Beautiful card with a lot of options, doors opening for you. Basta meron kang tiwala sa sarili mo at kakayahan at hindi ka maliligaw at hindi ka delayed lagi sa action mo at hindi ka complacent lagi at itong plano mo ay dire-diretso at tiyagain mo siya para matupad. Maraming pinto ang bubukas para sa iyo. Okay? So the 7 of Cups is being clarified by the Queen of Cups. Wow! Put your whole heart on this thing. Kung ano tong parating na bago magbubukas sa'yo na opportunity, na blessing, tanggapin mo to ng buong puso at trust that it is divinely gifted for you. Parang panahon na para makuha mo to. Yun ang naririnig ko. Don't let this go. Huwag kang maging kampante. Alagaan mo to. At pag may nagbukas sa'yo ng bagong pinto, be serious, be open, at gawin mo yung makakaya mo para mapatunayan mo na itong mga to ay deserve mo makuha, because this is a huge blessing for you this February, Cancer. So, that is your reading for this month. Kung naka-resonate po kayo, comment down below and I'll be reading your replies and I'll be commenting on them. So, comment lang po kayo kung naka-resonate kayo. So, thank you for watching. If you reached this point, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again next week po for your weekly reading sa pagpasok ng February. So, this has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.